I'm here with Dan Dwyer. How was the Dalby cattle sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Tanya. Today's sale was unbelievable. Combined agents yarded a total of 6,241 head, back 20 on last week. Your normal panel of buyers were there, as well as your southern processors. Now for the quotes. Bullocks 600 kg plus, 396 to 452 to average 428, up 34 cents. Feeder steers 4 to 500 kg range, 378 to 488 to average 433, up 19. Heavy heifers 4 to 500 kg, 360 to 428 to average 407, plus 23. Prime cows 520 kg and up, 385 to 428 to average 404, up 43 cents. Medium cows 4 to 500 kg, 320 to 360 to average 345, up 61 cents. Store cows up to 400 kg, 186 to 250 to average 204 cents, up 3.5 cents. Heavy bulls 320 to 402 to average 361, up 38 cents. Light bulls 272 to 472 to average 391, up 16 cents. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kg range, 390 to 493 to average 446, up 13. Yearling feeder heifers 3 to 400 kg range, $3.40 to 416 to average 363, up 18. Weaner steers 200 to 280 kg range, 390 to 534 to average 468, up 30 cents. Weaner heifers 200 to 280 kg range, 310 to 436 to average 372, up 52 cents. Cows and calves range from $1,200 to $1,980. This has been Dan Dwyer with the Dalby Market Report. Eastern Rule next week will be selling in 7th position, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.